Hello and welcome to the Falcon range of smart televisions. So we have the 19-inch, the 22-inch, the 24 and the 27. The TVs are all of the same family. The key benefit of this product is the viewing angles. Viewing angles, not everybody sits directly in front of a television in a caravan or a camper van or a motorhome. Sometimes somebody gets stuffed in a corner. So looking at the television on an angle still delivers a great picture quality. Picture is one thing, sound is the other. Great speakers built in, but should you want better sound quality, these TVs also come with integrated Bluetooth 5.0, which then allows you to make a wireless connection with a soundbar or a headset of headphones. Where headphones can be of benefit in a caravan is not everybody wants to watch television, somebody may want to read a book. Selecting Bluetooth, selecting headphones allows that person to watch their favourite movie, their TV programme, in the silence of the caravan with the headphones on, whilst the other person now can read a book in silence. TV functionality, we have two receivers built into this TV. One is terrestrial television, which is regional television, and regional TV will use your standard existing TV antenna, or we do a range of fitted portable digital TV antennas. The nice thing about the TV is when you are moving from region to region, rather than having to go through the whole menu, there is a quick setup. So you can do a quick tune as you are moving from one region of BBC to another region. Satellite TV is also built in. This is FreeSat, and FreeSat can be then using a existing satellite dish, which is your dish, which is either a portable solution or an automatic solution. A lot of people now, of course, are watching smart TV at home. So this has got all the smart TV options. We are supported by one of the biggest manufacturers of televisions, which we are partnered with, LG. So you've got the peace of mind, all the apps are supported through one of the major suppliers. So you've got your BBC iPlayer for catch up, you've got Netflix, you've got ITV Hub, you've got Prime, you've got Disney Plus and YouTube and many more. Now, signal, of course, is important. And if you've got no TV signal or you've got no internet signal, then, of course, you've got nothing to watch. And sometimes that can happen. So we value a DVD player, and all these TVs have got a DVD player included. So you've got something to watch on one of those days. It's cold, wet and windy, and you have no signal. Now, power, of course, is critical as well when camping. We're not always with electricity. So all these TVs will work on 12 volt, literally battery power. The consumption is exceedingly low, so you're not going to be taking a lot of power out of your battery. If you've got a big RV or you want one of these TVs for a truck, they'll also work on battery power at 24 volt. Should you be on hookup or should you want to take your TV out of the caravan and use it at home, it will also work on 240 volt on your standard household electricity. So great picture, great sound, very versatile, will work on grid, off grid, and should you have no signal, you've always got something to watch. So this is the Falcon Smart range of TVs, and there is an offer to our club members that if you buy one of these TVs, you will get a little thank you from Falcon, and this is the Falcon soundbar. You'll see in the advert that you can claim a free soundbar. All you need to do is on the checkout is use the code. Adding the code will then give you one of these free soundbars. Soundbars are great. You can use them, of course, in conjunction with your television, improve the sound quality for a much richer sound, especially if you're watching a movie or a musical and you want to enhance the sound quality. The soundbar does that for you. But also, being Bluetooth, you can use it with your smartphone as well. So if you want to use one of your music apps, then in the awning, whilst barbecuing, you can have your favourite tunes playing. Okay, well, we look forward to your order, and don't forget, add the code, get your free soundbar. Thanks very much for watching. Bye now.